Welcome back, dear subscribers. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. You need to hear this if you're a health enthusiast. The secret to weight loss? It's in these tiny seeds. Chia seeds might be small, but they pack a punch when it comes to weight loss. Fact number 1. Chia seeds are fiber powerhouses. Just 2 tablespoons give you almost half your daily fiber needs. Fiber helps keep you full longer, so say goodbye to those sneaky snack attacks. Fact number 2. They expand. Chia seeds can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, turning into a gel-like substance. This keeps you hydrated and satisfied. Fact number 3. Protein punch. Chia seeds are a great plant-based protein source, perfect for building muscle and burning fat. Fact number 4. Low in calories, high in nutrients. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants, calcium, and omega-3s, but have only about 60 calories per tablespoon. Fact number 5. Versatility at its best. Sprinkle them on yogurt, blend them in smoothies, or make a delicious chia pudding. The options are endless. So, grab some chia seeds and let them do the heavy lifting on your weight loss journey. Stay healthy, stay happy.